Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivangi, and next up in the Materia Medica series is yet another drug remedy, that is Stramonium. Now Stramonium in children, how to identify? So these children, whenever they have fever, so with Stramonium there is a marked idea of violence, okay? How will we see this violence in patients or especially in children? So in fever, these children can be very violent. They will shriek at the top of their voice in a very shrill voice till their voice goes hoarse, and they cannot be comforted. Whenever we think about fever and children who are who cannot be comforted, we always think about Senna and Chamomilla. But Stramonium children also become very nasty when it comes to fevers, and they cannot be comforted by mothers. On one hand, they will be very clingy, they will be in a total delirium, and they won't let go of the mother or the parent, and they will shout at the top of their voice. Now these patients are peculiarly in a constant delirium. There is a fear that is mixed with violent anger. They can curse, they can hit, they can shout, they can hurt themselves as well as others. So when it comes to the syphilitic aspect of Stramonium, there is maniacal hysteria. Now these people are dreadful of the dark. They cannot tolerate to go in darkness, and they constantly feel that there is someone standing in the room or someone looking at them, and this constant fear is going to put them in a maniacal hysteria where they cannot be comforted out of this hallucination or delusion. And they, appearance wise, they appear to be very flushed with terror in their eyes, and they are constantly fearful of ghosts and animals. If you want to know about such interesting remedies, do purchase our books from our website, or you can enroll to our courses and modules. The contact number is given below. Thank you.